Hello ladies and gents. It is a Tuesday, December 19th, here on our trip to Colorado, and we are going to be doing some camping today. We're at a campsite here. This is like dispersed camping, so it's not like an official campground. It's just kind of random camping. We're about 30 minutes outside of Boulder, Colorado. Really nice campsite, nice and quiet. Got some nice views of the mountains and little fire pit here, and we're gonna be setting up our tent right over here. So yeah, we gotta start setting up. It's a little windy right now, pretty cold right now too, about like 40 degrees or so it's probably gonna get a lot colder at night, but let's get to it. We gotta set up camp. All right guys, so just finished setting up our camp. Going pretty minimal here on this trip. Basically just got the tent and then some sleeping gear that we're gonna put inside the tent to sleep. And then we got our little fire pit made out of rocks and some firewood. And then we got some food that we're gonna cook up here, and we're all set. So we're just gonna enjoy the campsite. Right now it's about, about 3 o'clock. Around this time of the year, the sun goes down probably around like 4:35. So a couple hours of daylight, and then probably about time to get this campfire going here and enjoy a nice warm fire on this cold night. So let's do it. Oh, and we got Chew up in the tree, monkeying around. I think he's gonna take a nap up there or something.
Pretty comfy up here.
Alright guys, pretty nice spot. Really quiet out here. I haven't seen a single car go down this, it's like a dirt road here. And then there's other campsites if you go further down, but this one seems to have a pretty nice view here. So, pretty happy with it. Okay guys, so Chew's cooking up one of his meals. He's got some baked beans cooking and some chicken noodle soup. So he's letting that heat up. It's gonna be a little feast here, a little camping feast of canned foods and some snacks. And as you can see guys, the sun is slowly starting to set right over the mountains there. Beautiful view. And then there's like a little prairie area right here. It's pretty cool. So yeah, who knows what kind of wildlife we'll see out here. Maybe we'll see some like moose or elk or something. That'd be pretty cool. So I think it's like 4 o'clock, 4:30, something like that. So yeah, just gonna enjoy our night here. How's the view up there? Alright guys, just taking a little hike, a little stroll around this area here. This is like public use area, so I think it's part of the Roosevelt National Forest, I think it's called. So this is like all free camping, and there's like designated camp spots that you can camp in. Just kind of taking a walk around the area, scoping it out. Nice views. Alright guys, just taking a little walk, and we found another camp spot here. It's empty, nobody's occupying it, but just to give you a little glimpse of what these campsites look like. It's not as, I don't think this is as big as ours. It's got a nice view though. They're pretty spaced out too. I mean, this is pretty good ways from where our campsite is. Ours is like way down this road here. You gotta walk down it a little while. Something up here too. I don't know what this is. What's that
remind me of that shit that we can get locked up in there.
Hey guys, came across a house. It's like I hear someone's generator on. Looks like he has a lot of solar powered. It's probably like a solar powered house. Look at these views though, man. There's probably some more campsites on this side too. Alright guys, came across another campsite. This one has a really nice view. As you can see, overlooking the mountain range. It's kind of close to the road though. I mean, this is the road right here. And some nice looking boulders here to climb on. Let's chew up there. See if we can get a better view. Yeah. Yep.
Not for right now. Saturday turning to snow.
Oh wow. Hey guys. I think they're all related. See how they all look the same?
Yeah.
I think they're all like.
I got a quick question for you, sir. Do you live out here?
Yeah, what's up?
Is that private property?
Yes.
Okay. Just want to make sure.
Yeah. See where you can see where the fence is?
Yeah.
On the other side, it's all private.
Got you. Okay. Sounds good.
Hey, you gotta go that way, buddy. Okay guys, so what time is it right now? It's like 6 p.m.
Yeah.
About 6 p.m.
5:58, 6.
Yeah, no more sunlight, so it's gonna be kind of hard to do some filming. So we're just gonna hang around the campfire. Got some beers here. Probably gonna light up some stogies and just hang out and chill and vibe and call it a night. And yeah, so see you guys tomorrow morning. All right. Good morning, ladies and gents. It's Wednesday, December 20th, about 7:15 a.m. and we survived our camping trip here in Colorado. Just waking up and kind of packing things up here. Didn't really get good sleep. I think I slept for maybe a couple hours, and Chu probably slept for like 30 minutes. It got really cold. The camping gear that I have isn't really suitable for this type of cold weather conditions. It's more for summer camping, but we made the best of it, and it's time to pack things up and head on out and probably do some hiking somewhere around here. So yeah, already had my coffee, and it's time to get ready to go and say goodbye to our nice little campsite here near Boulder, Colorado, about 30 minutes out from Boulder, Colorado. And I think this is called Roosevelt National Forest. So yeah, pretty cool experience. All right.